Hi everyone. Today let us learn about the rock cycle. What is the meaning of cycle? Keeps repeating themselves, isn't it? The cycles keep repeating themselves. When it starts, again it comes to the same position and again it continues, isn't it? For example, the day is followed by the night. Again after the night, there is a day again. For example, you can see the seasons: winter, summer and monsoon. These seasons are repeated every year, one after the other. Today let us learn about the rock cycle. Rocks are also constantly changing from igneous rocks to sedimentary rocks. Again it changes to metamorphic rocks. This is called rock cycle. But this cycle is very slow and very hard to notice. We may have seen the rocks in a certain form today, but it has taken millions of years to reach this stage and it's left alone. In another millions years it might change it again, isn't it? The rock changes their form and structure in the form of rock cycle mainly due to the two factors. What is that factors? The high temperature and the pressure inside the earth, and on the surface of the earth weather and erosion due to wind, water and other factors. Due to this factor the rocks is changing its structure, isn't it? Now let us learn the process of rock cycle. To understand the process of rock cycle, let us start with magma. This magma is also called as the molten rock that is present in the mantle. This mantle is the layer of the earth. When magma cools, it forms igneous rocks. These igneous rocks slowly get broken down due to weathering by wind and water to form sediments. These sediments settles down on the seabed and are pressed down by more and more layers to form sedimentary rocks. These sedimentary rocks under heat and pressure, that is inside the earth, isn't it? That forms metamorphic rock. This metamorphic rock then melt to form magma again, thereby restarting the rock cycle. There is a repetition of cycle again and again from magma to the metamorphic rocks. The cycles are repeating. In some cases of the rock cycle, these rocks skip the steps to convert the other rocks for some times. We can take the example, igneous rocks that are under the earth can directly become metamorphic rocks due to heat and the pressure that is present in the under the earth. In sometimes we can see that metamorphic rocks that are exposed on the earth surface of the earth become sediments through erosion. These sediments then become as sedimentary rocks. This was a simple process of the rock cycle. If you like my drawing and my explanation, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.